Will flying in the future be safer than ever? Today, we'll break down the top 4 biggest reasons why modern aviation is reaching new heights in safety. Ready? Let's go. First up, AI isn't just a buzzword. It's transforming aviation safety in ways we could only imagine a decade ago. Today, artificial intelligence is at the heart of the cockpit, working alongside pilots to make every flight safer and more efficient. Systems like TCAS act as digital co-pilots, constantly communicating with nearby planes to prevent collisions, even taking control if pilots can't react in time. These systems analyze vast amounts of data in real time, ensuring that no threat goes unnoticed. Other systems like enhanced ground proximity warning use real-time GPS and terrain data to predict and avoid obstacles, giving pilots clear, actionable alerts. This technology helps crews navigate even the most challenging environments, from mountain ranges to unpredictable weather. These AI-driven systems don't just react, they anticipate, making split-second decisions that save lives. By processing information faster than any human could, they provide an extra layer of protection in the sky. These technologies are smarter and more reliable than ever, dramatically reducing human error. Pilots now have a trusted partner, capable of handling complex scenarios and supporting them in high-pressure moments. The result? Safer skies. With AI quietly working behind the scenes on every flight, monitoring, analyzing, and assisting without ever taking a break. It's a leap forward that's already making a measurable difference, with fewer incidents and more confident crews. That's the power of the AI co-pilot. Weather has always been a wild card in aviation, often causing delays, diversions, and uncertainty for both pilots and passengers. But not anymore. Technology is rewriting the rules. Advanced satellites, high-resolution radar, and sophisticated aircraft sensors now feed billions of data points into powerful supercomputers every second, creating a dynamic, real-time picture of the atmosphere. These systems can predict storms, turbulence, and even microclimates with pinpoint accuracy, enabling 4-dimensional flight planning, navigating not just through space, but also through time, anticipating weather changes before they happen. Pilots now receive live, high-resolution weather updates directly in the cockpit, empowering them to reroute flights around trouble spots and avoid hazardous conditions before they even develop. Turbulence reports and weather data are instantly shared between planes, creating a real-time, crowdsourced map of the skies that benefits every flight in the air. The result? Smoother, safer flights, greater comfort for passengers, and peace of mind for everyone on board, no matter what the weather throws at you. Next-gen forecasting is truly changing the game, making the skies safer and more predictable than ever before. What about the plane itself? Enter predictive maintenance. Modern jets are packed with thousands of sensors, streaming real-time data on every component. AI analyzes this data, spotting tiny issues before they become big problems, like detecting subtle engine vibrations long before a failure. Maintenance teams get alerts to fix parts proactively, keeping planes in peak condition. This shift from scheduled to predictive maintenance means fewer surprises and safer flights. Every takeoff is backed by data-driven confidence. It's a revolution in reliability. Think about this. Technology is only as good as the people using it, and in aviation, that means pilots must be prepared for anything that comes their way. Today's pilot training is more advanced than ever before, blending traditional instruction with cutting-edge simulation and real-world scenarios. Full-motion simulators can recreate virtually any emergency, from sudden engine failures to severe turbulence and unpredictable weather conditions, allowing pilots to practice rare and challenging scenarios repeatedly until their responses become instinctive and automatic. Training now emphasizes not just technical skill, but also teamwork, communication, and decision-making under pressure. Pilots return for regular simulator sessions throughout their careers, constantly sharpening their abilities and staying up to date with the latest procedures. This relentless, ongoing training ensures that flight crews are always ready for the unexpected, no matter how unlikely. It's this commitment to preparation that ties all the other safety layers together, creating a strong foundation for every flight. The human element, skilled, confident, and well-trained pilots, remains at the very heart of aviation safety. That's what makes the entire system truly robust, resilient, and ready for the skies. So, is flying in the future safer than ever? Absolutely. AI, advanced weather tech, predictive maintenance, and next-level training all work together to create the safest era in air travel. Next time you board a plane, remember, you're flying in the most secure skies in history. What do you think? Do these advancements make you feel more confident about flying? Let us know in the comments below. Please subscribe, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.